I will harvest this one since this is ready too. Look at this one. Now let's prepare this for snacking. It's more of like, I think, darker pink than the look at the, like the skin or the peel is darker pink than the last one. It seems like this is sweeter than the last one. So good. For tonight's dinner, I am cooking ostrich. This is ostrich fillet, and this is actually quite expensive. Like small slab is $24. But we would like to try it. And we have broccoli and garlic, and I use this seasoning, all-purpose seasoning. Here's the ostrich. Let's slice it. Here's the ostrich, tomatoes, and broccoli. Let's eat. Josh's school lunch today is cassarese pasta with ham, tomatoes in pesto sauce. I am cooking dinner. This is more of like a really pretty chicken dish. So I'm using artichoke and then red onion, tomatoes, and then caper berries. This is chicken. I added the artichoke, a jar of artichoke. So this is more of a little sour. And then let's add the caper berries. I used this the other day in our mahi mahi. And then, so next, the tomatoes. So those are like ready to eat, the caper berries and the artichoke. So let's add the tomatoes, the red onion. Red onion is like really pretty. Like that. You can add cheese too if you like feta cheese. This is ready. This is a super flavorful dish with artichoke, caper berries, and tomatoes, and then red onion, and then the chicken, and then I use like chicken flavoring, so it's like really flavorful. Let's eat. I'm about to cook dinner. That's not for me and the husband. I am making soup, and then Josh likes pompano, so I'm boiling this pompano. Let's make the soup first. The soup is like red onion and then tomatoes, and then later like a leafy greens. So tomatoes and then water and tomatoes. Jalapeno, and then eggplant. Now I need to boil the pompano. Fish. Oh my god, why is this poking out? There you go. Let's like cut that off. So yummy. Now let's add the red onion. And this is done. Here's our fish soup dinner. Let's eat. And here's Josh brought pampano. This is an awesome kitchen gadget, especially if you want to live a healthier lifestyle, and it will save you a lot of money compared to getting your juice or your cold pressed juice from the juicery or like from like specialty stores or from cafes. Let's unbox this slow masticating juicer machine that was sent to me by the brand. Here's what's inside. This is the machine. Came with like brush to clean up, the user guide, and then just put this here. That's it. If you're into like drinking cold pressed juice, this will save you a lot of money. So let's turn this on. Let's put it. This is powerful. This is 700 watts and has enough power to juice any types of vegetables and fruits. If something gets stuck mid juicing, you can just like do reverse. It should remove the clog. So this is like really user-friendly juicer. This is an auto shut off too. So if you are using it for a long time and instead of overheating, it will just like turn off. And this, the pumice or the pulp or the discard, you can use this to fertilize your garden, to when you're growing vegetables or like flowers. Now I have a cold pressed juice anytime I want, right? And like ingredients that I can combine ingredients too that I like. Like I have another juicer, but it's attached to like a KitchenAid. I do like ingredients that like passion fruit, for example, combined with dragon fruit and like celery. So I can customize like the juice using the ingredients that I like. Cheers! So good. I have carrot and celery juice. Yummy, no?
Nice.
Super love this kitchen gadget. It's sleek and it's not as big as the other juicers. You can just put this in like one corner of your kitchen island like what I have here, or your kitchen counter, and you have a cold pressed juice in the morning or in the afternoon or in the evening. This is super affordable too, so if you're interested in getting one, the link is down below. This was given to me by the brand. George school lunch, grilled mahi-mahi and tomatoes, cherry tomatoes. Here it's Boba time, and I'd like to try the Dubai chocolate frap. I'd like to try that next time, the Hawaiian food tea. Here's my Dubai chocolate with 1 million calories. Here's for the husband, and Josh is having Thai iced tea. Daddy's having tomato, watermelon chocolate. Mom is having Dubai chocolate frappe. Yeah. Fan favorite. Popular on social media. It's like the caramel frappuccino, but with chocolate and like pistachios. Oh, good. For dinner, I'm making Singaporean noodles. I have rice noodles here, curry, bean sprouts, and then I have scallions or young onions in the fridge, and then shrimp, and then the bell peppers. Here's the noodles. And then let's add back the shrimp, the bell peppers, and then the onions. Bean sprouts. Here's our Singaporean noodles for dinner. Let's eat. We're getting our food from here, Monaia Mediterranean Cuisine. This was recommended to us by our friend. That looks so very yummy. Josh, I remember you want baklava, right? You want to try the baklava? Or which baklava would you like to try? Baklava pistachios. Baklava finger. This one is good too. Here's what we got for our lunch. This is chicken kebab, shish kebab, and then salad, and then this is what is this?
Baba ganoush.
Baba ganoush. Hi Josh, evening time, excited?
Yes.
I am marinating chicken, and this is the seasoning that I'm using, shawarma. Time to prepare dinner. So here's the marinated chicken. And then I will add potatoes. So we're eating baguette, chicken, and potatoes for dinner. And then I have the potatoes here, and the same like marinade. Here's our rosemary, just harvesting the tip. Go. Here's what I'm cooking for dinner: chicken with potatoes and rosemary. Dinner is ready. We have baguette and then mozzarella, tomatoes, and basil from the backyard garden. And then here we have chicken and potatoes, and then with rosemary also from the backyard garden. Let's eat. The quickest way to transform your living room, if you'd like to decorate every season, is through like the throw pillows. So I have here like the pillowcases. I have all 4 ready, and this is like so soft and cuddly. And this is like skin friendly. Look at the design up close. So they are Christmas trees, more of like holiday Christmas or holiday decoration. And this is made of faux fur, so like soft, really perfect for like a holiday season when it's colder. I really love this. And then so I have 4 here. This comes in like a set of 4. This is 20 by 20, and they have like 18 by 18, so I have 2 options. Let's change, like let's switch from like fall to Christmas. Like if you have like a more of like colorful like couch or sofa, then you can just have the white, but since ours is also like white, I need to put like another color. Over here, this is also like Christmas. And do this. Now we have Christmas. This is really nice, see? So like very huggable and awesome quality, and really durable too. I like seasonal decorations because you can use them for a very long time, season after season, and you don't get tired of like seeing them because you only see them for like a short period of time. Look at how beautiful this one is and how elegant. So you can have red, I have red here, and you can have green too. So when you're watching TV, you can have like this throw pillow to keep on their own if you have a more colorful living room set. But since our couch and our love seat are like white, I have to like use some accent like colors like the red ones. But I highly recommend this cozy, cuddly, and durable Christmas tree pillow covers, and the link is down below if you're interested. They were given to me by the brand. Weekend traffic. Today is Saturday and we're headed to Josh's dentist appointment.
So great news, you have no cavities.
Oh,
bravo, good job. I'll see your chair while we talk.
Just finished the Josh dentist appointment. Now we're heading to lunch. Daddy's parked here, Josh. Here at the Americana. Yeah, we're going to Paradise Dynasty. Yippee!
This is the crab meat, wasn't it?
Okay.
Crab meat.
Crab meat and roll.
And then this is the original.
Original.
And over here.
Then the other one
And then
is
this
the
will be our
most
specialty
colorful.
langa.
Yay!
Oh,
The
thank
colorful
you.
one.
That is the colorful. Thank you.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Thank you. Here's our food. Hi, Daddy.
Hi.
Colorful xiaolongbao. This is the xiaolongbao. I have it upside down. To this place, India sweets and spices. All the spices. Ooh. Tea. Do you want to smell it now?
Oh, here.
Yeah. Turmeric powder, curry powder, fennel seeds, curry powder. All these are the spices. Cumin powder.
Selama. S-E-L-A.
What's that stuff? The Griffith Observatory. Going home. And here's our haul from the Indian market. We have rice, basmati rice, and then tandoori, tandoori naan. And what else? We have the spices. This is, what is this? Curry powder. And this one is masala powder. Garam masala powder. And then this is shara masala. And this one is Panch Puran. Husband found this recipe that we need these spices. And then he got ginger paste, and then ginger paste with garlic, and then also this one. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of ginger paste. So ginger paste with garlic and 2 ginger paste. I don't know how he's going to eat those. And then this is tandoori tikka masala. And then I think these are for snacking. So this is Punjabi mix. Nimbo pudina chana.
Te lève de ton sommeil, j'ai envie de te dire que la vie est belle comme une solution aux problèmes, que le vent se lève de temps en temps, nous serons heureux pour l'éternel, que tu peux traverser les nuits sans tomber, que tu peux rêver de grandes échappées.